Even with the pandemic that is proving to be a bummer for cinema lovers, 2020 is finally looking up with films releasing on OTTs and making the right kind of noise. With web series and films releasing on OTTs, viewers have the luxury of choice to suit their taste palette. After Patal Lok, producer Anushka Sharma just raised the bar as a producer with her latest supernatural drama film Bulbul. Starring actors Tripti Dimri, Avinash Tiwari, Paoli Dam, Rahul Bose, and Parambrata Chattopadhyay, the film is a story that revolves around a man who returns home after years to find his brother's child bride now grown up in his ancestral village. The film that premiered on Netflix on 24th June is being talked about a lot. Actress producer Anushka Sharma says she always wanted to show strong, independent women through cinema, and her latest production venture, Bulbul, is a step in that direction. The idea that Clean Slate Films, her production house, which she runs with her brother Karnesh, would one day create a genre of our own was never an international move. We, however, always wanted to create a style of storytelling that celebrates women and their spirit. We always wanted to show strong, independent women to audiences through cinema, and Bulbul is our new offering in this regard, she said. Anushka stressed that the portrayal of women in our cinema has always been skewed and lopsided, adding, I felt that as an actress and I decided that I will correct this as much as I can through my productions. We are really proud that Bulbul is being loved by the audience because Karnesh and I really put our necks on the line to make projects that we hope we will clutter breaking. The fact that people have called each and every attempt of ours as daring and adventurous is validation enough for us, she said. Karnesh and I aren't scared storytellers. We make each project thinking we have nothing to lose. We are non-conformist, and that is what has really helped us to explore and create. It is a huge milestone moment for us because both Patal Lok and Bulbul have got great reviews and Janta appreciation.